Viewers still now not subscribe my channel, just click subscribe button and bell button. If you want future update, just do that.
Hi viewers, whenever you edit post file, maximum people getting this error due to some privilege access. So let's go to how to fix this error. Okay, once open that host file, just go to property, then kindly select security and make it that all users in full control mode. Just select one by one users, make it its full control mode. Some users unable to edit this host file, so make it all. Once done, all users full control access, then try to edit host file, it will work. Okay, now I changed all users full control mode, then I go to edit that host file, just click host file and open notepad. I try to make some lines this host file, for example // I will make it now save. I save this one. Now this file saved, no error getting. So now try to once check with open the host file. I opened, I enter the / and // this is saved. Now issue was clear. And then kindly share your valuable comments. This method worked or not. Thank you.